Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A90. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant. Go to Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Let's try it. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain your voice model. So let's enter it and select Retrain Voice Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Let's try again. Okay Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be scattered thunderstorms, with a high of 36 and a low of 17.
If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.